Okay, so another upgrade to the dually here. You can see these factory taillights have seen better days. This one's actually cracked. I didn't even know that. But it's faded, messed up. Went on eBay, picked up a set of these LED taillights. This is the best looking one I could find. Went with the red. They're not smoked or anything, I don't think. They're just kind of a darker red. Then it's got a clear spot for the reverse light. The reverse light is not LED. You can see it's just a bulb, but I'll replace that someday. These should be just plug and play. They got one plug here, should plug into the factory harness. And there's another deal right there. It's got double-sided tape. It needs to be stuck somewhere. I'm guessing that's going to get hot. So I want to stick it somewhere where the heat won't bother it. I believe that's like resistors or whatever to get the turn signals to work with these LEDs. So I'm guessing that's what that box is. But it's real easy install, guys. Like I said, plug and play should be. This here has the original Torx screws. You might not have original screws, you might have a regular Phillips, but a T15. And there's a screw there, light comes off, unplugs, plug the new one in. So I'm gonna get this replaced. Okay, so I've unplugged this resistor box. That's what I'm going to call this thing. It's got double-sided tape. I've cleaned off an area inside the light housing here. I'm just going to stick it down here onto the metal. And then when I put the light in, I'm just going to plug it back in. It's got a plug here. Dielectric grease in the connectors. Make sure nothing gets pinched, bound up. So there it is installed. Now fitment was okay. It's a bit of a big gap down here, or it was indented too far. So what I ended up doing is I took a nut on this bottom mount, took some tape, taped it on there to make a spacer, and then tightened her down, and it's pretty good. I like it. It fits pretty good everywhere else, and with that nut for a spacer, I like it. It looks a lot better than before, for sure. So I'm going to get the other one in, and we'll see what they look like. They are bright. Fitment over here on this side was a little better. It might be a little indented more on the top, but I'm okay with it. I mean, these are eBay parts, and they are not OEM quality. You know, you want OEM quality, get yourself an OEM light, and you have to do an LED conversion yourself. But these are fine for what I do. Fit and finish is okay, good enough. And I'm happy with it. I love it. So there's the new taillights installed. Got a bit of shadow going on here, but I like them a lot better than the factory ones, for sure. A lot brighter, they look better. I like them. That's gonna do it for this one, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.